Hey, what's up guys? Richard Halbrick here, coming to you live from Greenpoint in Cape Town. We've got this double-story townhouse on the left, and we've got a beautiful cottage on the right. But let's start with this one. Follow me. Welcome to a beautiful townhouse. You've got a fireplace over here, a nice lounge area. I think we need a bigger TV, but you can sort that out when you want to. So a dining room table for you and your family. A kitchen with everything that you could possibly want, and a courtyard, but I'm going to save this part for last because it is my favorite area. There's a bathroom here. Take a quick look. Nice desk space with a beautiful bicycle artwork, and the courtyard we'll get back to. Just follow me to the rooms. This thing here, stairway to the top. First bedroom on the right. Go take a look. Juliet! Right, it was Romeo, wasn't it? Now you got the master bedroom over here. So much room for activities in this one. We've got a double basin, a bath, and a very nice shower. Does need a little bit of TLC, as you can see, but what house doesn't? And a great view of this cobbled street over here. It's also a very beautiful day. Now that I still have your attention, let's go take a look at the courtyard. Isn't that awesome? So on a beautiful summer's day like today, you can sit here with your friends, have a braai, put some boerewors on there, some chicken, or some mushrooms if you're vegetarian, and keep following me to the communal pool area. I like how this person set up the garden, really nice. This is my favorite part of the house, a beautiful pool that I really want to jump into right now. I'll take the suit off, but I'll do that afterwards. And now, if I still have your attention, come take a look at the cottage. I'm just going to pause it here and then restart it there. So now that we're at the cottage, come take a look. So that was a townhouse right over there, right across the street. And this cottage is probably for a young family or bachelor, doesn't matter. You come into this high ceiling. Mrs. Red Vancouver is selling this place. This one's got a proper TV, nice and big, and nice open lounge area. Kitchen, scullery area, and I'm going to take you up here in a second. I haven't been up there, but let me first show you the rooms. So this is your fun area where you can have a braai. You can actually move this thing. If you look down here, there's wheels, so you can move this thing outside, put your Weber over here. You just have a great time. Let me take you into the kids' room. So this can be a bedroom, your kids' room, or whatever, or an office if you prefer. A nicely decorated bathroom. And the master bedroom. Desk. It's quite nice. Let's go take a look at that other area. If you're interested in buying this place, you can speak to Keaton over there. Almost a Red Vancouver. Now I need to go check this place out. It's my first time up here. Okay, so this has been used as a storage room, but maybe you can turn it into a little bedroom, you know, like Harry Potter, if you wanted to. I can stand here, I can't even touch the ceiling, quite high, some nice cupboard area. And yeah, if you're interested in this cottage, please send me a DM